Hello all, I'm Dr. Gökay Bilgin from Smile Hair Clinic. We are going to check our patient Elliot's before photos and 9-month results. Today I want to show you our patient Elliot's before and his 9-month results. If we look at his before photos, you can see that actually he has only hair loss in the frontal part of the head. So he wanted to fix his hairline and fill the temples. Here you can see how we draw a new hairline. You should know that this is only the level of the line. We normally do some irregularities on the hairline to keep it natural. And at first it may look a little bit weird for your eyes, but when they get long and your new hair starts to grow, it looks pretty well. So I will show you one with the hairline. Yeah, here. So here we mark the zones that we are going to perform the transplant. But in our clinic we use loops. So sometimes even if we draw these lines, when we see that that zone needs the hair transplant with the loops, we also perform their surgery too. And here, this is first month. You see, most of the hair we transplanted is gone. There is no hair at all already. In this point, some of our patients feel desperate and they think that their hair will not grow, even we tell them many times that they are going to come back. But you should know that shock loss is real, so you will lose them in a couple of weeks probably. So here, his third month, you see hair started to grow, but they are still in progressing. And they are like baby hair, they are very thin, they don't create a real density. After 6 months, the hair is grown and it's much thicker now. And you see he covered all sides. Actually, maybe he's trying to hide the thin hair underneath the thicker layer. And here, the 9-month results. So there's still a very big difference between the 6-month and the 9-month. The hair is much more thicker, denser, and it looks much more better. And you see, it's the look from the top. All this hair naturally blended with the native hairs. Yeah, it's how it looks from the sides. You can see. And this is his donor zone. You see, there is no actual sparse layer or a gap or a patchy look. Hopefully, he will use this hair very happily, and see you in the next video.